Fine Line Shoppers. I want to share with you this really cool bed I just purchased. So we're going to walk you through the whole stages. This is going to be an unboxing. Now, what do I like about this? Well, I got to tell you, this is a really cool bed. It is one of those padded headboards, and it has like a really cool gray tufted headboard with square stitching, and it is a really nice dark charcoal gray color. This particular bed doesn't need a box spring. It has a platform with drawers that come underneath, which is super awesome because it's a great space saver. But also, you don't need to buy a box spring. So if you buy this bed, you get a tufted headboard, you get underbed drawers, and you don't have to buy a box spring. That is an awesome deal. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Everything is really nicely packaged and tightly packaged in here. This is for a full-size bed frame, but if you like the design of this bed, it comes in queen, king, twin, and full like this one. Let's move this stuff out of the way. This is one of the drawers that goes under the bed, and it comes partially assembled. You've got the two pieces here together. Oh, look at this. That is gorgeous. That is the headboard. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. It's got the buttons and the gray stitching on here. Wow, it's awesome. These are the drawers for the bed. There's 4 drawers that go underneath the bed. The padded part of the drawers that faces out. There's 4 of these. Just be careful you don't cut the material when you open it up, right? Am I right? Yeah, look at that. So this is what you see when you pull the drawer open, and then the rest of the drawer is back this way. This is the frame of the bed, just like that, and like that. This is 2 more of the drawers, the facer of the drawer. Oh, you know what this is? This is cool. This is the footboard. It, of course, coordinates with the headboard. You have the same gray stitched, upholstered, tufted with the buttons. This is such a classy looking bed. I can't wait to see it installed and see what it looks like. Here are 2 more of the drawers. Now what's really cool about the drawers is that they're not attached specifically to the headboard. They actually have casters, and they roll out and they roll in. Because you know, we've all had those dressers where the rack where the dresser goes in breaks, and then you have this like awkward thing. Well, these drawers don't rely on a track. They do have a track to keep them in place, but they have casters, so it actually rolls along the floor instead of weighing with all the heavy weight of the clothing on the track where they are set. This box here, let's open it up and see what's in here. This is the hardware, I would imagine. It comes with an instruction manual taped here so nobody loses it. Everything's nicely packaged. It's nice because when you buy things and they ship, you don't want to open up a box and find that they've broken. This stuff is really thoughtfully packaged, really nice. There is all of the nuts and bolts and the Allen key tool that you're going to use to put this together. These are all the joiner pieces. Casters for all of the drawers to roll on the floor. And these are the feet that the bed rests on. That's really cool. We've also got the rest of the hardware in here for the bed. And these are the slats. You can see them there. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 slats. So when you assemble the bed, instead of putting in a box frame, these slats are going to take the place of the box spring. They are going to get drilled screwed into the frame of the bed so that this is what your mattress rests on. That's one of the really cool things about this bed, is that it helps to save you money because you're not buying a bed frame, a box spring, your headboard, and your mattress. Really, to put this bed together, all I needed was this complete package of headboard with built-in drawers, the slat so I don't need a box spring, and a great mattress. That is awesome. Now the rest of the stuff in here, there are a few more of the support bars there. We've also got the last two of the drawers and the last of the drawer facers. Really, really nicely put together as far as how it's packaged. Everything came out of the package in excellent shape. All of the padded headboards are wrapped in plastic so they don't get dusty. And everything is really compactly put together so that as it ships, nothing gets broken. On first look, I'm really happy with what I see here, and in my next video, I'm going to put it all together and you can see just how awesome it is. Thanks for checking this out. I guess we're going to see if this is going to be a family favorite at our house.